In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your image so you have a finalized copy of the design that you've created with all of its edits. So, what you're going to want to do is you can edit a singular picture, or you can export multiple pictures. And the way that you do so is if you press Shift, you can highlight different images, or Command to remove specific ones so we can skip a few every once in a while. But I think I'm just going to export this one that I've been working on for a while. What you're going to do is you're going to come up to the top bar in Lightroom. You're going to come to File and then Export. And we can export quickly using Shift E. That'll give us another pop-up window, which looks nearly the same, but now that our options on the right have changed. And what you're going to do is you're going to change the presets to make sure that it's exporting in the best possible way. So make sure you're exporting as a JPEG for our purposes. .TIFs are a little bit bigger, but for us, we're going to use .jpegs. Make sure that it's at a full size, so it's a nice large image, and make sure that the quality is at 100% so that we're showing everything that's there. Those things can be edited if you need to, but for the most part, have your preset set to there, and then go to Export Photo. One last pop-up is going to show up asking you, where do you want to save it? For me, I always choose somewhere very obvious, so I'm going to choose the desktop so that it's just saved somewhere on the desktop, and then I can move it later, and I'll press Export. It might take a little bit to save and export, but it should pop up on the desktop. And I can go through and rename it, and we can see that this says the numbers and then edit, which isn't too bad. And then I can move it to whatever folder I keep my photos in. And I like having it a little bit separate from my original photo so that I can always open them both up and appreciate what they look like and what changes I have made. So there we have our original photo along with our newly edited one, which I think I went a little bit heavy-handed with the edits, but that's mostly because I just wanted to show you guys how to edit things. Usually when you edit things, you want to be a little bit more subtle, but there we go. We have a final design to which I can post onto other things and print out as well. So that is how to export your images.